In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with LinkedIn. This integration process is simple and can be done in just about 5 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to seamlessly connect your Pipedrive account with LinkedIn for enhanced business networking and customer relationship management. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Pipedrive website. If you're not familiar with Pipedrive, it's a powerful sales CRM and pipeline management tool designed to help you keep track of your leads, deals, and communications all in one place. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. After logging in with your credentials, you'll be directed to your Pipedrive home. Here you'll see various features and menu options that Pipedrive offers. Now, to move ahead with the integration, focus your attention on the top navigation bar or side menu, where you can see an icon representing additional settings, often depicted as 3 dots or a More icon. Click on this icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Marketplace option and select it. The Marketplace is essentially a hub where you can explore and add different apps and integrations to your Pipedrive account. This is where the magic happens. Once in the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar, usually located at the top of the page. Type in LinkedIn into this search bar. The search feature is handy for quickly finding specific integrations amidst the many options available. When the search results load, locate the LinkedIn app. You might see a couple of versions or related apps, so ensure you choose the correct one that meets your needs. Click on the LinkedIn option. At this point, you may be prompted to authorize the integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. This part is important because you are allowing LinkedIn and Pipedrive to share specific data to make the integration work smoothly. Review the permissions carefully, and if everything seems in order, go ahead and complete the authorization process. Once the integration is successful, you should see confirmation both in Pipedrive and LinkedIn, showing that your accounts are now connected. With this setup, you can now take advantage of a more streamlined workflow. Your LinkedIn contacts can be imported into Pipedrive, allowing for better management of your relationships and business prospects. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Pipedrive with LinkedIn in just a few easy steps. This setup will really enhance your productivity and help you build stronger connections with potential clients. Thank you for watching. And feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Happy networking!